Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your second lesson of computing. In today's class, we will learn that what are labels in the spreadsheet, okay? So in our last class, we learned that what a spreadsheet is. And I tell you that spreadsheets are basically the Excel sheets on which we do a lot of work. We do make tables on that. We do save data on it, right? So spreadsheets are basically used in different offices, in schools, account offices, banks, everywhere, basically in every department to save the data of the people. Okay. So now in today's class, and I also tell you that what is a cell in the spreadsheet, right? So a cell is basically a small box, whatever the box or whatever which that we select is known as cell. So here I have shared the screen with you. On this you can see that whatever, now see there are a lot of boxes over here, right? So now whichever one, the one that I will select, now this is one cell, this was another one, this is another. Now whatever the one, when I select it, there comes a dark boundary around it, right? So this is known as cell. Okay. Now, if somebody asks you the name of this cell, so first you will look from here that it comes under the category of B, and from here 9. So this cell name is B9. Okay. Similarly, if you look at this one, it comes under the G, and from here 3. So this cell name is G3. Similarly, if you look at this one, so it comes here from 11 and then J. So this is J11. Similarly, this is A1, this is C4, right? So in this manners, we have a lot of cells. Now in today's class, we will learn that how we can give label to the cells, okay? So now how we can give label to the cell, let's say this is a cell A1, right? Right now, at this moment, this cell is empty, right? Its name is A1. Now I'm going to give it a label, and the label that I'm giving is toys, let's say, okay? Now this is the label which is given to it. Okay. Similarly, let's say I select this is D6, and I want to give it a label which is chocolate, and the label has been given to this cell. Similarly, if you select any other random like this is F2, and I want to write over here bicycle, so I have given this cell a title which is bicycle. Now we have given labels to three cells, right? So in this manner, we can give labels to different cells. Previously, they were empty, and how we can name them, such as 1A, D6, 2F, and now what we have done, we have written something in them by typing something, and now the labels have been given to them. Okay, so in this manner, we give labels to the cells. Okay, this is your today's practice. Now, what you are supposed to do, you will be following the same steps that you did yesterday to open this Excel sheet. What you will be doing, you will over here in this search area, you will type Excel. A tab will open in front of you. From there, you will select, let's say if I type over here Excel, Excel. Now see, this bar has been opened. From here you will select on this Excel, and other tab will open. From there you will select the empty sheet, and then this sheet will open in front of you, and then you have to practice that how we can add labels into the cell. Okay, and then you will give different labels such as toys, bicycle, chocolate. Well, I have written random names in it. You can give any other as well. It's not compulsory. Okay. So now before wasting any time, start this on your devices and start working. Let me know if you are able to add labels in it or not. Okay. Hurry up. I repeat, follow. Okay, let me write the steps for you on the board so that you can open it. first go into the search engine, then type Excel. A bar will open in front of you. From there, you have to select Excel, which will come on the top. Okay. Then it will open another box for you. Over there would be a lot of options. You are supposed to open the empty sheet. Okay. And then this sheet will open, which I have shown you. And then in that sheet, there are a lot of cells. Previously, there are no names or no labels given to that cells. What you will be doing, you will select any of that cell and then you will add label to it. How? Let's say I have given different labels like toys, chocolates, bicycles. Similarly, you will also be giving labels to them. Okay? Hurry up. Start working. Let me know if you have any confusion. Okay? Yes, Alize, are you working? Is there any confusion? Okay, good. What about you, Sarah? Okay, great. Yes, Ahmad? Excellent. So, all of you are done? How many labels you have added? Yes, Sarah? 3. Asad? 2. Okay. Add one more. Yes, Elise? 3. Is it easy or do you find any difficulty? Easy. Okay, great. So that was all for today. What we have learned. We have learned how to add tables into different cells on the spreadsheet. You are supposed to practice it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion. We will resolve it together. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.